It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it, so do not miss this one. And just remember also, we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this too. Yeah. And that's all of the beautiful ingredients we have right here. Okay. So we're gonna show you how to do this fantastic and an amazing one this evening. So right here we're going to put in 1 medium-sized beetroot in the blender. Right, you guys can see that's the beetroot. Right, yeah, that's the ginger right here. Lovely and nice. That's the lemon, 1 medium-sized lemon. Right. Lovely. All right. 1 medium-sized carrot. Okay. They are using inside of it. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Just stay right here and go and watch for about, not gonna be too long, about 10 minutes. You guys can see exactly what's going on right here in the kitchen. So yeah man, I eat that so far. Get the orange. All right. So right here we're gonna put probably about 2 medium-sized or 1 orange you can use. So let's see how the blender works with the orange. So I may just use 1 orange inside of it. All right, that beautiful and nice. You can use 2, you can use 1, it's up to you. All right, it's up to you how much you want to use, 1 or 2 orange. All right, so I just think I'm just gonna use 1 because the blender is small. So right here we're gonna put some coconut water inside of it, about a cup of coconut water. All right, put on the lid. Let's put that orange here. I'm just gonna use 1. That's how it look right here. All right guys, you don't know the thing go, so yeah man, keep tuning in and watch the show. It's a simple little recipe but very effective guys. All right, yeah, put that right here.
having later on. Beetroot juice. I used to make this every Saturday on my YouTube channel. There's no Saturday pass. I'm gonna make beetroot juice. Alright. Quick update. Alright. Remember, you can get yourself a copy of the book. It's on Amazon. Go over to Amazon and get yourself one. From Poverty to Purpose. Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Get yourself a copy of the brand new book. Alright. Good vibes. This, I use this a little more. Excellent. Right. So I'm going to run it through our little strainer right there. Okay, so you guys can see exactly what's going on. Yeah man, we're not gonna be still too long because we got important things right now I want to sort out at the evening. Okay, so what we're gonna do, pour it out and run it through our strainer. Alright. I didn't make a lot. You don't have to strain it. If you don't want to strain it, you can drink it naturally. But it is. Yeah. But just to show you what you can do. This is a lot. So if you want to strain it, strain it. If you don't want to strain it, you don't have to. There's more in it, but I'm not gonna hold up the guys' time. So what I normally do, I just rest it on something, make it one drain in the meantime. Okay, then I pour it out. I don't even want to mess up the table. Okay. Yeah. So I pour it out. That's it. Right here. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. You guys can do this at home. All right, yeah man, that's how it looks. So you can drink this 2 times a day, 3 times a day. It's up to you, and this can help to boost up the immune system and detoxing up the body 100%. So beetroot, ginger, lemon and orange and carrot, those are such an amazing recipe. Okay, and remember to get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. All right, yeah man, big up on yourself. And I don't know the thing already from Chef Ricardo Cooking. I always try my best to give you the best recipe as much as I can. Now, if you like the recipe, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Very simple, and it doesn't take long to make, as you guys can see. So yeah, have a great evening, and whatever you guys do, just bless upon yourself, and as soon with some more healthy recipes and more juice like these. All right. So we got the parsley. We're gonna put some vinegar and wash it off. And we're gonna put some lime. All right. Fresh ginger. You don't have to use the vinegar. You can use baking soda. All right. This is not salt or sugar. Some people get it mixed up, you know. Yeah, so here it is. You want to make sure you wash this properly, all right, before you even use it. And that's why I want to do it this way first. All right, let's put this one side. Get the cooker on. Medium size heat. Hot water. A little bit more. Yeah. So that's looking good. The first thing, we're gonna put this inside of it. Parsley. Our flat parsley. All right. Yeah. Turn off this. And there's lime inside of it. Just like that. Yes. Very good ginger. See that? That's what we're talking about. The ginger is amazing, guys. This is one of the best ginger. And you see the ginger them look like this? They are the one of the best. If you must buy this. But they want to hard forget. Unless you are in Jamaica. Alright. Definitely. This looking really good. Alright. So let that simmer down for a few more minutes. Which I want to encourage you to make at home if you have some time. This one definitely is one of those kind of tea. Parsley with the ginger and the lime. One of the best you could ever drink at home, guys. I'm telling you, I love it. It works really well. You know, when you even
when I'm away, I'm always drinking parsley tea because it cleanses you and detox your body, you know. So I always drinking parsley tea when I'm away. I have to find the parsley, you know. It's the only place I didn't find it, parsley, is in the Philippines. For some reason, there's no parsley. Yeah, I want to be the first person to plant parsley over there. Alright. So, you know, make him simmer down for a little bit. Look at that. Simple little recipe. Just 3 ingredients, but very effective. Look at that. That's all. You don't need nothing else, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. Nothing else you need. So I'm gonna remove this. Alright. And this ginger is amazing what I'm using. Make sure you get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Alright, yeah man, we appreciate every one of you guys who take the time, go over and get yourself a copy of the book and support the progress, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Here it is. It's available on Amazon right now. So here it goes. All right, you don't know a thing already. We have to keep it real. All right, here it is. Yeah, man. See that, people? I'm squeezing out it. Get all of that flavor out of it, the ginger and the lime. Okay. Now, I'm gonna say, if you like to put some honey, you can put a little bit of a honey inside of it. Alright, yeah man. But me personally, I drink it like this because this is also very good for the blood sugar. Alright, if you put honey or sweetener or sugar, you spoil it. It doesn't make sense to make it. You're wasting your time. Drink it like this, you will get a lot of benefit from it. Alright guys, as you can see it for yourself, something healthy and delicious for you guys to make at home. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to give it a try. It's a little bit hot at the moment, so why not give it a try? Wow. So when this cool down, trust me, the flavor and the taste is going to be amazing.
Nice one, guys. So basically today we're going to be showing you exactly how to make this beautiful and fantastic and an amazing juice drink, which is good for the immune system, with some iceberg lettuce. It is amazing. I made this before and I'm going to be giving you part 2 on it. Anyway, good news, you still can get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the support. You don't know the thing. Let's jump straight into this and make this an amazing drink. So that's the blender which we're going to be using. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up the ingredients and put them inside of it. So the grapes, you can cut up the grapes if you like to. So we're just going to put the grapes in it. That's some iceberg lettuce. We are putting inside of it. That's the grapes. All right. Yeah. And we're going to put some fresh ginger inside of it. We're gonna put some lime inside of it. Cucumber inside of it. All right. Yeah. So that's the fresh cucumber. This is the iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is easy, guys. You can just break it up and put it inside of there. Just break it up and put it inside of the blender. You don't have to stress yourself too much with the iceberg lettuce. All right. Also, we got 1 apple, 1 red apple, which we're going to put inside of it. I just dice it up and put it inside of it if you like to. All right. Yeah. That looking fantastic. Look at that. So the iceberg lettuce, cucumber, and also the lime and the ginger. You can put all of these ingredients together. This is exactly what you are getting when you're making this kind of drink. All right, see, look at that. Just want to show you exactly how simply it is right there. All right, yeah, very, very simple and easy to make. All right, now let's get some we're going to use some coconut water. Right inside of it. And a little bit of water. So we got coconut water and a little bit of a water inside of it. Excellent. Then let's put on the lid. That's how it look right there. Iceberg lettuce is inside of it, and we have some lime and ginger, cucumber, red apple, and we have some grapes. So that is a very beautiful recipes for you guys. Definitely you want to try at home. Definitely is a must. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to make a little bit of a noise. Let's blend it up. Very hard to the blend, so take a look at it because the blender is very quick. So yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to pour it out, as you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, look at this. See? Iceberg lettuce with cucumber. This is very good. You don't have to throw away this right here, guys. You can eat this. All right, just to let you guys know that you guys can eat it if you like to. That is amazing. You see that? Beautiful. So look at that. Beautiful juice. Pour it out. Right here. Have a good look at that, guys. Now, I got some chia seeds. We're going to I soak them in right here into the water. So we're going to put some inside of it. This helps to fill up your tummy as much as you can. Look how beautiful that is. So it is another kind of recipe which I would say, yeah, why not give this a try at home if you like to try something different. Then this goes really well for you. All right, beautiful recipe, and here it is. That is amazing drink. So beautiful, very simple, and very easy to make. Doesn't complicate it, guys. All right, so I would recommend it to you. Why don't give this a try at home if you are keen on some healthy recipes like what I'm making right here. All right, yeah man, a good vibes people. You don't know the thing go. I'm going to do that, show you guys exactly what you guys can do at home. If you guys like something totally different, then you're gonna love this one, because I never do this recipe before. This is the first time I'm going to do this recipe, so without apologize, trust me, you guys gonna love this one. Yeah, let's jump straight into it. Let's jump straight into this fantastic one. All right, so we must say we got ripe banana, right? And we got oats. We got 1, 2.5 tablespoons of oats. I soak the oats, guys. Just to let you guys know that I soak the oats. If you don't understand what I mean, yeah, the oats. We got some yogurt. You can use your favorite yogurt you like to use, so don't get panic. All right, these are good yogurt for gut bacteria, so you can use live yogurt. This one is a strawberry flavor. All right, now keep on an update. We got some chia seeds. I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon inside of it. All right, now don't feel anywhere. I'm going to give you some milk, whole milk. All right, so the milk. All right, you can use your milk which you like to use. All right, yeah man, use your milk what you like to use. I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Put on the lid. All right, and we're going to blend it up. Now before we blend, let's quickly talk about the book. The book is available on Amazon. Go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for each and every one of us who are interested in something different. Okay, yeah man, so get this and support the progress. All right, if you don't mind. All right guys, now we're going to blend. All right, we're gonna blend it up as you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's go for it. Wow, that is permanently, yeah, I'm telling you the honest truth. Look at this. Beautiful, lovely, and nice. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, that is permanently 100% effective and an amazing. All right, so if you guys are just said to yourself, you know what, yes Chef Ricardo, I like that, you don't know it already, please do one thing: share the love, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, and we can always do better, best, better for each and every one of us. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support, for your time, sharing the love towards this on an amazing episode today in the kitchen with you guys. Leave your comments down below and tell me exactly what do you think about my healthy smoothie today. Right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. No disrespect to no one, because my respect goes for you and each and every one of you guys. Have a great evening, great Monday evening, afternoon. Just remember, the clock dropped backward, so a lot of people don't know the clock, you know what I mean. Yeah, the clock dropped back 1 hour earlier. All right, so people, enjoy the moment and enjoy yourself. Peace and love, happiness, and I will sooner with more healthy recipes like these for you guys to use at home. All right, yeah man, have a great evening, great afternoon, blessing, Today is Monday. The weather is not too great outside, but we still give God thanks because it's the weather, you know? So yeah, let you know with part 2 and have a beautiful evening. Stay blessed. Nice, very nice, amazing. Let's start to cut up some cabbage. Alright, as you can see, I'm gonna make some cabbage recipe today for you. Beautiful one. So let's start it off like this. Alright, so stay tuned in. So that's the cabbage. Let's start it off. Alright. Tomato. Saltfish. That's a saltfish right there. All right. Now I'm going to use all of the saltfish. This is some fresh thyme. White onion. this cook up. Some paprika and season. Okra. Three okra. Cabbage. Scotch bonnet pepper. Black pepper. Mix in. Alright, let it cook. Give it a stir. Now when I stir it, wake it up running. Yeah. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. That is beautiful. And also, we just take it off. So we're gonna plate it up. Can you get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose? Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon, guys. Get yourself one. Stay tuned in, man. Yeah. All right. Now, this is a requested video from my audience because I don't know the thing already. All right, Jamaican dumpling. Yeah. avocado. I mean, I normally use avocado, but this time I think it kind of shape up. I don't know what's going on. I got to come up to Christmas. All right, yeah. It's simple, but I'm gonna tell you something. Very delicious. All right, good vibes, people. So, yeah, man. That's something simple I want to share with you guys this evening. See the part 2 for this video. Watch the next video, which is coming out the next 2 minutes. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, and as soon with another video, which is gonna come out now. Yeah, man. Lovely. So we're going to start, as you know, guys can understand the whole process of everything. Lovely. So here it is. We got pineapple, ginger, lime, and this is some grapes. Going to blend up all of this incredible recipe with you guys today. So if you at home right now and you're saying to yourself, wow, Chef Ricardo, you know what, I do like what you are doing, I want to say thank you so much for your support and for your time. All right, it's just a beautiful recipe today. All right, so let's go for it. Let's show you what I'm going to do. All right, these things need cleaning. I don't know how to clean them, and they're still brand new now. Yeah, so we're going to put my favorite pineapple into the blender. Lovely. That's the pineapple right there. Okay, now we are going to put our favorite again, grapes. I love grapes. What about you? Let me know if you like grapes. Me personally, I love grapes, man. Yeah, I love my grapes. I'm always buying grapes and a lot more stuff, you know. But yeah, grapes is one of my favorite, which I do like. Most of the time I use the grapes. Okay, now we got the lime. We're going to simple remove the skin from the lime. You know, you can also make sure you wash your ingredients before you use them, guys. Okay, always do that. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, excellent. In the Philippines, they eat the lime. Yeah, that's what they do in the Philippines. I got some ginger. You don't have to remove the skin from the ginger, but the reason why I need these 2 items to make some tea, to make some lime peel tea. All right, don't do what I'm doing. You're gonna have to be a professional to do this bit. Put the ginger inside of it. That's the ginger. Look at that, guys. Is that beautiful? And we're going to put some coconut water. So we're gonna use coconut water this time. Right? A little bit more. Excellent. Yeah. And once you do that, put on the lid. Wow, that is amazing, people. Yeah, man. All right, that is such a beautiful one. So we're going to make a little bit of a noise and blend it up. You guys can get yourself a copy of this brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Get yourself one of this book. All right, yeah. The book, it's available on Amazon. So if you don't, let's go over and get yourself one. All right, a good vibes. Yeah, a little bit dark. We come out also the light. All right, we are going to blend and make a little bit of a noise. Okay, yeah, man. We're gonna blend it up and make a little bit of noise. Let's make some noise. Oops. You don't have to blend it too long because it is grape. All right. Grapes is so lovely. Let's pour it out. And pineapple. Look at that. Yes, Chef Ricardo is back in the kitchen with another one. Look at that. Put the rice. Yes. Run it through the strainer. You can eat this if you like to, but you don't need to. Just get the juice out of it. Yeah, that was excellent and an amazing. Lovely. See what's going on when you pour it out. Look how much you get. It's a lot. Look at this. Wow. That is beautiful and an amazing. You see that? Excellent. Right on point. Right? Yeah, man. So you guys can make this at home if you're looking for something beautiful and very simple. This goes really well for a lot of my audience who are interested in making a nice, lovely, healthy juice at home. Then yeah, I would recommend it to you to give this a try at home. Simple but very delicious, very easy to make, and yeah, it's just a blessed time to have another recipe like this with you guys this evening. All right, if you do like my recipe, leave your comments. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Please watch the next video, which is coming up next. It is something you guys will love, so don't miss that video. Alright, big up on yourself, people. You don't know the thing go already. Good vibes in the kitchen. Chef Ricardo with you guys. Another recipes, healthy juice. Stay blessed. I'm just drinking this right now. I just make it. It's on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking. It is parsley with ginger and lime. Beautiful recipe, which I would encourage you to try this at home to detoxing the body. All right, now let's go back. One medium-sized pot, and we're going to put some hot water. Just like that. That's the hot water. So beautiful recipe, but I'm going to tell you, it is one of those recipes which many people don't know. If you're struggling to sleep at night, then I will recommend this to you to drink. All right, I will recommend this to you to drink if you cannot sleep good at night. Yeah, man. Stop love. Thank you so much. Cassandra D, thank you so much. Big up on yourself, people. All right, what we're gonna do. Yeah. I'm just cutting up the banana. I think this is a little bit too much. This is a banana. Put the banana inside. We're using one medium-sized banana. Make sure you wash the banana. Very good. Alright? Yeah. That's the banana right there. So if you are struggling to sleep at night, this is for you. I got one more recipe that I'd love to share with you, but not this evening. If you are struggling to sleep, then what we're going to do, we're going to get some cinnamon and put roughly about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Yeah. Cinnamon is very, very good. It will help you to make a dose off very quickly. So many people still taking sleeping pill up to this very day, but we still encourage you guys not to take sleeping pill. Okay? Yeah, there's no need for you to take sleeping pill. There's a lot of natural remedy can help you. This is one of them. Yeah, man. You don't need to take sleeping pill. Right, banana and cinnamon tea. Right here. Excellent and beautiful. Look at that, guys. And I know you guys definitely going to love this tea. If you never make it before, I will encourage you to give it a try at home. Alright? Yeah man. Marcus, Sonia, thank you so much. Vanessa, thank you so much. And thank you so much. Right, banana and cinnamon. Beautiful cup of tea, as you guys can see. Yeah. Thank you so much. Good job. Yes, thank you so much. Let's turn off the cooker. And just allow that heat to penetrate through it. Alright, here it is. Yeah, very fantastic and amazing. Look at that. So easy and simple. Alright. Break up that banana and get that benefit out of the banana. So using ripe banana. Wow. Look at that. See? That is amazing and fantastic. So I use ripe banana peel with the skin. Ripe banana and the skin to make it. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it is simple to make. Yeah. Excellent. Look at that, guys. Yeah man, one of those recipes is just fantastic and amazing. Beautiful. Alright, now we're gonna take this off the heat. That is beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. See? Beautiful one. Wow. So the people who taking sleeping pill, especially the winter is coming ahead of us, this is what you need to drink. But you don't even need to continue taking the sleeping pill. There's a lot of natural recipe for it, and I know that. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Get yourself a copy and support the progress. It's right here. Good vibes. Okay. Let's pour it off. Alright, yeah man. Pour off this tea. Pour it off. Just like this. One banana, you know. But that's what you want to do with the cinnamon.
is excellent. See? And this inside of it. All right. Yeah. What you want to do? Put at least a teaspoon of honey, because the honey will help you also inside of it. Yeah. And you drink this 10 minutes or 15 minutes before you go to bed. You have to see some different changes. Once you drink it, you will see 100% health benefit. You will see how this works amazing for your immune system. NAV, what's going on? All right, people, so you can see, look at that, beautiful and nice. So it's finished, and hope you guys will enjoy it. Have a great evening. Bye bye for now.
So that's all of the beautiful ingredients we have right there. Okay, so we're gonna show you how to do this fantastic and an amazing one this evening. So right here we're gonna put in 1 medium-sized beetroot in the blender. Right, so guys, let's see. That's the beetroot. Alright, yeah. That's the ginger right there. Lovely and nice. And that's the lemon, 1 medium-sized lemon. Right. Lovely. All right. 1 medium-sized carrot. Okay. We are using inside of it. Yeah. So don't go anywhere. Just stay right there and go and watch for about, not gonna be too long, about 10 minutes. You guys can see exactly what's going on right there in the kitchen. So yeah man, I eat that so far. Get the orange. All right. So right here we're gonna put probably about 2 medium-sized or 1 orange you can use. So let's see how the blender works with the orange. So I may just use 1 orange inside of it. All right. That beautiful and nice. You can use 2. You can use 1. It's up to you. Alright. It's up to you how much you want to use. 1 or 2 orange. Alright, so I just think I'm just gonna use 1 because the blender is small. So right here we're gonna put some coconut water inside of it, about a cup of coconut water. Alright, put on the lid. Let's put that orange there. Just gonna use 1. That's how it look right here. Alright guys, you don't know the thing go. So yeah man, keep tuning in and watch the show. It's a simple little recipe but very effective guys. Alright. Yeah, put that right there. May have him later on. beetroot juice. I used to make this every Saturday on my YouTube channel. There's no Saturday pass I'm gonna make beetroot juice. Alright, quick update. Alright, remember you can get yourself a copy of the book. It's on Amazon. Go over to Amazon and get yourself one. From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Get yourself a copy of the brand new book. Alright, good vibes. Now what we're gonna do, let's blend. This I use this anymore. Excellent. Right. So I'm going to run it through our little strainer right here. Okay, so you guys can see exactly what's going on. Yeah man, we're not gonna be still too long because we got important things right now I want to sort out at the evening. Okay, so what we're gonna do, pour it out and run it through our strainer. All right. I didn't make a lot. You don't have to strain it. If you don't want to strain it, you can drink it naturally what it is. Yeah, but just to show you what you can do. This is a lot. So if you want to strain it, strain it. If you don't want to strain it, you don't have to. There's more in it, but I'm not gonna hold up your guys' time. So what I normally do, I just rest it on something, make it one drain in the meantime. Okay, and then I pour it out. I don't even want to mess up the table. Okay, yeah, so I pour it out and that's it right there. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you the honest truth, you guys can do this at home. All right, yeah man, that's how it looks. So you can drink this 2 times a day, 3 times a day, is up to you, and this can help to boost up the immune system and detoxing up the body 100%. So beetroot, ginger, lemon and orange and carrot, those are such an amazing recipe. Okay, and remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right, yeah man, big up on yourself. and I don't know the thing already from Chef Ricardo Cooking. I always try my best to give you the best recipe as much as I can. Now, if you like the recipe, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Very simple, and it doesn't take long to make, as you guys can see. So yeah, have a great evening, and whatever you guys do, just bless up yourself